Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success and attain the wealth you've always dreamed of? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal to you the 9 millionaire habits that will pave your way to riches in 2024. Habit 1: Strategic Goal Setting. Millionaires don't aimlessly wander through life, they set specific, measurable goals and relentlessly pursue them. By honing your goal-setting skills, you too can manifest your dreams into reality. Habit 2: Continuous Learning. The wealthiest individuals understand the value of knowledge and never stop learning. Invest in yourself through books, courses, and mentors to stay ahead of the curve. Habit 3: Healthy Lifestyle. Health is wealth, and millionaires prioritize their well-being to sustain their success. Make time for exercise, eat nutritious foods, and prioritize self-care to perform at your best. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4: Financial Discipline. Millionaires are masters of their finances, practicing strict budgeting, saving, and investing habits. By developing financial discipline, you can build a secure financial future for yourself. Habit 5: Entrepreneurial Spirit. To amass wealth, you must think like an entrepreneur. Seek opportunities, take calculated risks, and innovate to create multiple streams of income. Habit 6: Gratitude Practice. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude attracts success and abundance into your life. Millionaires appreciate their blessings and use positive affirmations to manifest wealth. Habit 7: Time Management. Time is a precious commodity, and millionaires use it wisely. Mastering time management skills allows you to maximize productivity and focus on high-impact tasks. Habit 8: Networking. Your network is your net worth, as the saying goes. Millionaires understand the power of connections and actively build relationships with like-minded individuals. Habit 9: Resilience. The road to riches is not always smooth sailing, but millionaires possess unwavering resilience in the face of challenges. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and keep pushing forward. By incorporating these 9 millionaire habits into your daily routine, you can set yourself up for unprecedented success and abundance in 2024. Are you ready to transform your life and step into the realm of financial freedom? The choice is yours. Stay tuned for more life-changing content that will elevate your mindset and propel you towards your goals. Remember, the future is yours to create. See you in the next video.